Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today diving into one of the most commonly asked questions in the world of making money online. Can mining can he make taking surveys? I spent the last 2 weeks testing the most popular survey websites so you don't have to. I'm going to show you the real results, what worked and what didn't. So stick around to find out if surveys are worth your taking time or just another online myth. So let's talk about what taking surveys online actually means. Basically, companies want your opinions on their products and services and they're willing to pay for it. Survey sites act as the middleman, offering you the chance to complete surveys and get paid. It sounds simple enough, but here's the big question, is it actually worth your time? The first thing I did was sign up for a few popular survey websites. The process was easy: name, email, and some basic demographic info. A tip for you, make sure to complete your profile in full, it increases your chances of qualifying for more surveys. I tried Swagbucks, Junkie, and InboxDollars. These platforms promise payouts ranging from big gift cards to direct PayPal transfers. But signing up is just the first step. Let's talk about the actual surveys. Now, here's where it gets interesting or frustrating depending on how you look at it. After completing my profile, I started taking surveys. Most surveys ranged from 5 to 30 minutes and offered payouts anywhere between 50 cents to big large. But here's the catch, not every survey is a good fit for everyone. I got disqualified from a few halfway through. That can be a bit annoying, but it's common with these sites. So be prepared for some trial and error. After a week of testing, here are my results. On Swagbucks, I spent about 2 hours and made around $7.50. Sorbet Junkie was a little better, 3 hours for $12, and InboxDollars about 1 hour for $3.50. Overall, I made roughly $23 in 1 week, which, let's be honest, isn't a fortune, but it's money I earned while binge-watching Netflix or just chilling at home. However, considering the time investment, it's not exactly a side hustle that'll make you rich. Here's the reality, there are some pros and cons to making money with surveys. Pros: low barrier to entry. Anyone can do it, no special skills required. Flexible, you can take surveys anytime, anywhere. Small but real income. You do make money even if it's just a little. Cons: time consuming. The payouts are small compared to the time invested. Disqualifications: you won't qualify for every survey, which can get frustrating. Not a full-time income, it's more of a side gig than a serious money-making venture. So can you make money taking surveys? Yes, should you rely on it for a full-time income? Probably not. It's a fun, low-effort way to earn some pocket change in your spare time. But don't expect it to replace your 9 to 5 or fund your next vacation. That said, if you're looking for an easy way to make a little extra cash without much commitment, it's worth giving it a shot. If you're curious and want to try it out for yourself, I've left some links in the description to the survey website I tested. Let me know in the comments if you've made money taking surveys or if you've got other money making hacks to share. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more honest reviews on making money online. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.